got fireworks that came all the way from Florida to North Dakota, including some brand new strobe rockets that feature a ball shell on top. How many times have you seen that before? So let's show you everything I got from Superior Fireworks. Silver and gold strobe rocket. Oh, we had the cake. You can't make this up. The sparks from the rocket must have hit the fuse inside that cake. Next one up is Golden Spike. Arctic Inferno. I've heard this one is like top tier. Oh yeah. Salute America. Really nice colors on these things. Oh wow. Wasn't expecting that. Celebrate freedom. ICBM. This is a big honker. Be a great one to put in with your fireworks show. Sacred Fire of Liberty. That's no joke. This one here features a red, white, and blue mine with silver chrysanthemums. Oh, that is nice. SuperiorFireworks.com.